Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. It's a tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In the additional, not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, November the 2nd, 2022, because I've told you earlier, we have in today's newspaper no additional, no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper, the Tuesday, November the 1st, 2022 edition. Yes, I've already solved 2 puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. It's now time for the tectonic. Yes, tectonic with a 1 star, and this will be number 5423. Yes, 5423. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one 17 should be an easy one, and it's indicated also with 1 star. And for puzzles with 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. 50 minutes, alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes here. I see here a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill those yet. Here another one, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. More dual boxes. No triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 3 is already filled in, so these 2 should be 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Need more information, otherwise I cannot put the numbers there. Triple box, quadra boxes then. Do we have more quadra box? I see here 1 quadra box, contains the 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Well, cannot fill those numbers. Need more information. Then the following strategy. The following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or construction. For example, the Z or the S construction. If you flip this, you get the Z, and rotate this to the right side. Well, let me draw this here. When you see the Z or the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has also the same number as this box. Okay, only 1 Z construction. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more L shapes? Let me scan. No L shapes. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. Alright, we have not a lot of space here. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright, it's a 4. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, here, rotate it. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. We have not a lot of space here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of this kind of shape? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about that shape? Alright, that shape. The T shape. We have here the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright, it's a 3. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So it's 1 or a 2, this box. Okay, 1 or a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only one T shape. And I see the last shape here. This shape, when you see this kind of shape, well, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maximum are 6 shapes that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Well, this box can be a 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 here, a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, we have a pair here. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Okay. Let me see. Scan. These are 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we see here a double 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright, so 2 numbers are left, the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box should be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here, and a 5, it goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2 then, and is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, and this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Two numbers are left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. 1 and 2. That means that this box can. Oh, wait. Yeah, need to wait. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Yeah. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be a 2? We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Can it be a 3? We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. And it cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then let me see. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Then 1 and 2. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. I think this box should be a 3 then, because it can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 or any 2 in those two boxes. So it should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Okay. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. This box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this S construction or Z should be there. So 2 numbers left for the pair, 1 or a 2. Alright. Then let me see. 1 on the 2. Well, these two boxes are marked with the 1 or a 2. I think this box should be a 4 then, because it can be 1. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes or a 2 in one of those two boxes. Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4 then. Alright. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. This is this box can also not be a 1 or a 2. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. Can it be a 2? Because I cannot. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes then. So can it be a 1? Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? 1 digit left, number 5. So 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 or a 2, 1 or a 2. That means that this box can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 here, double 2 there, and can be a 3. So 1 digit left should be the 4. So 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for the number 1 or a 2, 1 or a 2. Alright. Well. This box can be 1 or a 2, can be 3, could be a 4, could be a 5. Okay, 4 or 5. But here can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it cannot be a here or 1 because we have a 1 or a 2 here. But can this be the same number? That's the question. If it's a 2, this could be a 1. Interesting. 1 and a 2. Overlooked this 2. Well, overlooked. I thought so. We have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. Is connected also with this box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay, 2 and the 3 now. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes, and they're finished in 17 minutes. Not faster. So, let me give this a 2 stars then. Not faster than a 50 minutes. Well, I need to think here. A little bit troubles here. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again. Tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. Well, Thursday. Yes, Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday. See you. Bye-bye.